All right, Rick, here we go, man. Almost forgot about your damn box there, dude. But Rick's going to try SP Game Used Hockey. 1 to 4. Let's find a 4-sided die and go real high. 3. SP Game Used Hockey. Oliver Ekman Larson, 265. Alexei Lafreniere rookie. Alexei Lafreniere rookie. That's the 299. Pretty cool. Relic autograph, Roman Josi. Skills autograph. Is that not numbered? I don't think it is. Nice card, though. Roman Josi. What is that? Something. It's under acetate 1 of 1. Milan Lucic. We got a 1 of 1 yesterday out of this. What is that? Tonight's lineup. Oh, that's tonight's lineup card cut up. 1 of only 1. Pretty cool. Chase Prisky, Relic, and Kyle Connor banner. Pretty cool. There you go, Rick. Thanks, buddy.